I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I'm taking a look at the Xenvo lens attachments for your phone. And I'm a professional photographer, so I was really excited to try out these attachments that take your normal cell phone and actually add some really cool capabilities. So the Xenvo lens is really easy to attach. You can see we've got a little lens on here, and it's basically got this clip that's going to attach this lens to the outside of your phone. So you're not having to permanently attach anything. It's just a little clip. You center it over the existing lens on your camera. It does work with an iPhone or an Android phone that has multiple cameras. You just have to center it over the correct lens, and it basically just augments with this nice glass lens on here, the existing lens on your phone. So this is a 15x macro lens that I have on here now. And again, that's just going to enhance the capabilities on the phone lens here. So what can I do with this? You can see, here's some flowers, for example, and I can get in here with my phone, and look at that. You can see all the way into those very detailed parts of the flower. Get some really beautiful photos on there. I find it can sometimes have a little issue with getting the contrast correct on there, but I mean, wow, look at that. You really get this incredible magnification. And here's that photo again that I shot just now with that lens. So you can see really pretty cool ability to get into those really close, tight macro shots. And I like that this is an actual glass lens. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got metal around the outside. It seems well machined, well put together. And that's very important because the quality of the glass is really going to be the biggest thing that determines how well a lens works. So to get these really beautiful shots like that, I think having that good quality glass is going to make a huge difference here. Here's another cool one. This is the top of a cake here with some little slices of almonds on it. And you can see, again, once I get focused in nicely, you get these really incredible close-up details, almost like a microscope that you're using here. So it really expands the range of creativity that you can do with your phone. Very cool for nature exploration too, with your kids, if you want to go outside and explore some things like the soil here and get some close-ups and see what's in there. It's very cool to be able to see that and to photograph too. I think natural things are great with this. Again, flowers, that kind of thing look really beautiful with those macro shots. Now the Xenvo kit does also come with this wide angle lens. You can attach that and get really nice wide angle shots of architecture and that kind of thing. I personally find this less useful because my iPhone already has a pretty good wide angle lens built in. So I don't find this to be as helpful for me, but if you have a phone that doesn't have a wide angle lens, you can certainly use this one. It's going to give you a nice wide field of view to capture, again, cityscapes or architecture, that kind of thing. For me though, overall, again, that macro setting, I mean, really look at that quality and detail that you get there. I think that's a really cool thing. If you love to shoot nature, if you love to shoot flowers, I think this is a great lens for all those kinds of cool food shots as well. Everything we were showing there. I'm really happy with the quality, especially on that macro lens attachment from Xenvo.